What if I told you there's a secret personal finance shopping list that could transform your financial future starting this week? While most people blow their paychecks on things that lose value the moment they buy them, the wealthy have cracked a code that turns every purchase into a money-making machine. Think about this for a second. The richest people in the world often live surprisingly modest lifestyles. They drive ordinary cars, live in reasonable homes, and rarely splurge on flashy gadgets. But when a real opportunity comes along, they can mobilize enormous sums instantly. What's their secret? They've mastered the art of strategic spending. Today, I'm revealing 8 money management purchases that wealthy people make over and over again. Purchases that actually accelerate wealth building instead of destroying it. Stick around because number 6 on this list could literally change your financial trajectory within weeks. Let's dive into the first smart buy. Diversified market index funds. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds boring as paint drying. But here's why this matters. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks like you're some kind of fortune teller, you can own slices of thousands of companies for less than the cost of dinner out. These funds automatically collect dividends, reinvest profits, and ride the wave of economic growth that's averaged around 8% annually for decades. Here's the magic part. Start investing just $25 weekly, and 20 years from now, you could be looking at a 6-figure portfolio without reading a single financial textbook. Wealthy families understand this power, which is why they start their children young, directing birthday money into index funds instead of toys that break within months. This is compound interest working in your favor from day one. The second wealth accelerator is high-quality financial education through books and courses. Billionaires treat learning like compound interest for their minds. A $20 book teaching negotiation skills might unlock thousands in extra career earnings. A short online course about digital marketing could launch a profitable side business by next weekend. The key is being selective. Choose authors with proven track records and instructors with transparent results. Focus on topics that solve your immediate challenges. Then implement what you learn before moving to the next lesson. Even 15 minutes of targeted reading daily can bump your earnings up a level, and that increase compounds for life. Smart buy number 3 involves dividend-paying stocks that consistently increase their payouts year after year. This creates cash flow without selling your investments, like having a money tree in your backyard. Target companies with decades of steady dividend growth, particularly in utilities, consumer brands, and healthcare. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment and let those payments buy more shares continuously. Over time, these dividends can cover your monthly expenses, the same way rental income works for property owners, except you never have to fix a leaky faucet. Fourth on our list are income-producing tools. Farmers invest in tractors, photographers buy professional cameras, programmers upgrade their computers. The wealthy love equipment that multiplies their output. The rule is straightforward. If a purchase can pay for itself within 12 months or open doors to higher income, make the investment. Whether it's a landscaper's professional trimmer, a content creator's quality microphone, or a driver's winter tire set, each tool transforms time into greater earning potential. Keep a running list of equipment that could boost your efficiency and buy one item quarterly with cash saved from cutting unnecessary expenses. Number 5 might sound tedious, but it's absolutely crucial: proper insurance and legal protection. Medical emergencies, liability claims, or property disasters can obliterate years of savings overnight. Wealthy people protect their downside so their investments can grow uninterrupted. Review your health, property, and liability coverage annually. Consider higher deductibles to keep premiums affordable, but never leave yourself completely exposed. A modest annual premium might protect your entire net worth during an emergency. Here's number 6, the game changer I mentioned earlier. Real estate investment opportunities. You don't need a massive down payment to start building property wealth. Real estate investment trusts let you own pieces of apartment buildings, warehouses, and commercial properties for the price of a nice dinner. Many REITs pay monthly dividends and historically provide inflation protection. Start with $50 monthly into a diversified REIT fund and watch your portfolio gain exposure to property markets nationwide. The seventh smart purchase involves strategic networking and experiences. Wealthy families encourage attending industry events, volunteering at conferences, and building genuine relationships. One quality introduction can lead to partnerships, new customers, or career opportunities that double your income. Budget a set amount monthly, perhaps $50, specifically for lunches, seminars, or events where interesting people gather. Focus on listening more than talking, ask thoughtful questions, and follow up consistently. The career returns from networking often exceed most investment gains. Finally, number 8. Investing in your physical and mental health. A sharp mind and healthy body generate ideas and energy that compound like any financial asset. Wealthy people quietly budget for quality nutrition, preventive health care, ergonomic equipment, therapy sessions, and fitness coaching. Skipping health investments to save money often costs thousands later in lost productivity and medical bills. Simple upgrades like a standing desk, quality running shoes, or a meditation app can pay dividends in energy you pour into career growth and side projects. Notice the pattern here. Every item either produces income directly or protects your income-generating capacity. Nothing on this list feeds ego or becomes worthless after a season. This is why billionaires can live modestly, yet write massive checks for business opportunities. Here's your personal finance action plan. First, open an investment account with automatic weekly transfers of any manageable amount. This is smart budgeting in action. Split investments between a broad market index fund, dividend fund, and REIT fund. Second, choose one impactful book monthly and read 15 minutes daily. Third, identify tools that could increase your income and save 10% of each paycheck until you can buy them with cash. Fourth, review your insurance coverage so disasters can't derail your progress. Fifth, attend one industry event monthly and contribute value to conversations. This is money management at its finest, protecting what you've built while expanding opportunities. Will these purchases make you wealthy overnight? Absolutely not. But directing money toward assets, education, protection, and relationships gives every dollar a job that lasts beyond momentary excitement. The sooner you start, the faster compound growth takes control. Remember, wealth building grows quietly in the background. Choose one item from this list and buy it before this week ends. Share your plan with someone who will hold you accountable. Your future self will thank you for starting today instead of waiting for tomorrow. Which of these 8 smart personal finance buys will you tackle first? Drop a comment below and let's build a community of people serious about accelerating their wealth through better budgeting and investing. And if this video opened your eyes to smarter spending strategies, hit that subscribe button for more content that could change your financial future forever.